Welcome back to SCS online class. Today in class 5 math, I will start worksheet of chapter 10 measurement. Let's start. First question. The weight of one Pepsi can is 53 gram. Find the weight of 19 such cans. Weight of one Pepsi can is given 53 gram and we have to find out the weight of 19 such cans. So what we have to do? We have to multiply. Let's start. Weight of one Pepsi can is equal to 53 gram. Weight of 19 such can or Pepsi can, you can write 19 Pepsi can. What we have to do? Is 53 multiply 19. So multiply 53 multiply 19. 9 3 27, 9 5 45, 45 to 47. Now 53, 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 5, 5, 7, 7 3 10, 1 carry, 4 5 9, 1 10. So weight of 19 Pepsi can is equal to 1007 gram. Weight of 19 Pepsi cans is equal to 1007 gram. So student, I hope you all have understood this question. Weight of one can was given and weight of 19 can we have to find out. So what we do? We have multiplied and this is our answer. Weight of 19 Pepsi can is equal to 1007 gram. Next question. The weight of Seema was 85 kilogram. She lost 10 pounds. Find her present weight in kilogram. Weight of Seema was 85 kilogram. Unit is kilogram. She lost 10 pounds. Now unit change. Find her present weight in kilogram. We have to find present weight in kilogram. So in hint, 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. So first we convert this pound into kilogram. Clear, student? So let's start. Seema weight 85 kilogram. She lost 10 pounds. Now students, 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. This is in decimal. We can write this decimal into fraction also. Clear? See here. Write 22. Write this number without decimal in numerator and then write 1 in the denominator. How many decimal place? 1 decimal place. So add 1 0. So 22 upon 10 pounds. Now when we convert one unit, smaller unit to bigger unit, what we do? We divide. Pound is smaller unit, kilogram is bigger unit. So what we do? We divide. So 1 kilogram, this 1 22 upon 10 student. Clear? Now see, one when we divide a fraction, so what we do, we change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. As we change the division symbol into multiplication symbol, we write a multiplicative inverse. I have explained in previous videos. So 10 upon 22. So multiply 1, 10 upon 22. So 1 pound is equal to 10 upon 22 kilogram. Now what we do? Here we have 10 pounds. So we multiply this 10 upon 22 by 10. Lost weight in kilogram. So 10 multiplied 10 upon 22 means 100 upon 22. Now student, when we divide this, 100 upon 22, 22 4 88. Now 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 8 1, 0. Now we put decimal, we add 0 here. Now 22 into 5, 5 to 10, 5 to 10, 1 plus 11. Clear? 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So we add one more 0 here. Now 22 into 4, 88. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. So it is repeating again and again. So we will keep only 2 decimal places. 4.54. So lost weight in kilogram, 4.54 kilogram. Clear, student? Lost weight 4.54 kilogram. Now we have to find her present weight. So what we do? Now we subtract this 4.54 from this 85. Present weight previous weight minus weight loss. And right here, weight loss present weight previous weight minus weight loss. Previous weight 85 kilogram minus weight loss 4.54 kilogram. Now subtract 85.00, we convert this decimal into right decimal. Now 4.54 minus, so 10, 9, 4, 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 5, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. So 80.46 kilogram. Present weight 80.46 kilogram. So student, Seema's weight was 85 kilograms. She lost 10 pounds and lost weight in kilogram. 10 into 10 by 22 is equal to 100 by 22, 4.54 kilogram. Present weight is equal to previous weight minus weight loss. 85 kilogram minus 4.54 kilogram. Now present weight is 80.46 kilogram. Clear? Next question. Sudha and Radha stayed 115 kilometers apart. They decided to meet at a point. Sudha walked 57 kilometers. Find the distance to be covered by Radha. Express your answer in meters. So student, what we have to find out? We have to find out the distance covered by Radha. Total distance 115 kilometers. Clear? And find the distance to be covered by Radha. Distance which Radha covered. Sudha and Radha stayed at 150 kilometers. They decided to meet at a point. Sudha walked 57 kilometers. Find the distance to be covered by Radha. So what we do? Distance which Sudha covered. Total distance 115 kilometer. Distance which Sudha covered 57 kilometer. Now distance to be covered by Radha. What we do? We subtract this 57 kilometer from 115 kilometer. So 5, we will borrow 1 from here. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8. Now this one has become 0. We will borrow 1 from here. Clear? 10 minus 5, 58 kilometer. So distance to be covered by Radha 58 kilometer. 58 kilometer. Now student, next express your answer in meter. 1 meter is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to how much meter? 1000 meter. We know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So when we convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. Distance to be covered by Radha in meters. In meter. So what we do? We know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 58 multiply 1000 is equal to 58,000 meter. I hope you all have understood. Sudha and Radha stay 115 km apart. They decided to meet at a point. Sudha walked 57 km. Who walked? Sudha walked. Find the distance to be covered by Radha. So student, total distance 115 km. Distance which Sudha covered, we subtract that distance from total distance. Difference is 58 km. Now that distance we have to convert in meters. Clear? Distance to be covered by Radha in meters, 58 into 1000, 58,000 meter. So this part is completed. Thank you.